It has bbeen claimed that the Soviet Union covered up a string of space disasters which sent cosmonauts hurtling to their deaths. Scores of cosmonauts' deaths were blacklisted before the communist state finally announced its official first man in space at the height of the Cold War. It is alleged Soviet hero Yuri Gagarin was not the first human to be blasted into space on April 12, 1961, but simply the first man to survive the trip and return back to Earth. The USA followed that achievement by sending their own astronaut, Alan Shepard, on a suborbital mission via the historic Mercury space program. Just 1 month later, spurred by their rivals' accomplishment, the Soviet Union planned to up the game by sending their own pilot into multiple orbits. As the story goes, the Soviets planned to launch this mission before the Americans could send up their own astronaut to circle the Earth. The next manned Vostok orbital launch allegedly took place on May 16, 1961, and the capsule reportedly achieved an incredible 17 circuits around the Earth, but before the craft could re-enter the atmosphere, it seems something went horribly wrong. Details are sketchy as to the exact nature of the malfunction, but by the time re-entry was attempted, a full week had passed, the ship's oxygen supplies were nearly depleted, and according to the only known, alleged, documentation of the mission, the cosmonauts' final moments were truly horrifying. This account comes from the Giudice brothers, a pair of amateur radio operators based in an abandoned bunker outside of Turin, Italy, who claimed to have repeatedly eavesdropped on communications and data exchange between several Vostok craft and Soviet mission control. The brothers reportedly recorded and translated the unnamed cosmonauts' desperate final words with mission staff on Earth, and later offered a transcript of what happened in those fatal minutes before the capsule burst into flames in the upper atmosphere. Another shocking revelation from this alleged recording is that the cosmonaut's voice is clearly female, which, if this account is factual, reveals the fate of the first woman into space. Excerpts from the translated transcript are posted in this video, followed by what is claimed to be the actual Giudice recording of the cosmonauts' final minutes.
Welcome to
Though official Soviet news agency released no information on this particular mission, they did report the explosive re-entry of a large space vehicle on May 26, 1961, 3 days after the Vostok burn-up was believed to have occurred, but did not reveal any further details. Further Judica-Cordiglia recordings are said to reveal the fates of several other failed Russian missions, all of which were dismissed as false by Soviet media, and even today the Russian government continues to deny the validity of these accounts.